And you have to all dance because it's quite sad. My mum and my granny's the only one dancing. I'm sorry, and Iona.
Let's go.